Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Jet JJP-12HH, featuring a compact benchtop design that makes it ideal for smaller shops or job sites with limited space. The Jet JJP-12HH 10-inch jointer/planer is lightweight and powerful. With innovative features typically found only on big floor models, this handy tool offers a precision ground tabletop for a smooth, straight cut every time, precision adjustment knobs, a telescoping blade. Rikon 25-010, the Rikon planer/jointer combination machine has a 2.5-inch diameter cutter head with 3 knives and spins at 4,800 RPM, which delivers 14,400 cuts per minute. The aluminum fence extrusion tilts to 45 degrees and is quickly and easily reset to 90 degrees with the aid of an adjustable stop. When changing to planning mode, it is only necessary to remove the outfeed table with Easy2. Grizzly G0675, Grizzly Industrial Incorporated has grown into one of the largest machinery companies in the United States. Our products can be found in all sizes of shops, from the large industrial production users to the smaller cabinet and machine shops. We have the widest product selection under one brand in the world, and we sell direct to the user, cutting out the dealer network and resulting in lower Rikon Power Tools 25-210H, powerful 220V 3 HP, 3,400 RPM motor easily cuts at full capacity. 4-row helical cutter head produces an ultra-smooth finish. 56, 4-sided indexable carbide inserts change easily. Feed rate speed of 23 feet per minute. Powerful 220V 3 HP, 3,400 RPM motor easily cuts at full capacity. 4-row helical cutter head produces an ultra-smooth finish. 56, 4-sided indelible carbide. Jet 708476 Model JJP-12HH, superior finish and quieter cut, helical cutter head with 56 indexable carbide inserts. Strength and durability, heavy-duty cast iron and steel construction. Consistent power, powerful 3 HP induction motor. Accuracy, large handwheel for quick and precise adjustments of planer table. Stability, heavy-duty, one-piece steel closed stand, includes mounting tabs.